In this lesson, we'll review how to install Simple Image Gallery, and how to activate the plugin, and how to work with the parameters, and then how to display it on your Joomla website. To begin, let's go to joomla.org to find the extension. If you go to Extend and Extensions directory, and in the search, just type Gallery. The first gallery that comes up is a Simple Image Gallery. This was created by a company called JoomlaWorks.gr. Great company to work with. So let's click on the Simple Image Gallery. We can see the reviews are excellent, and it has some information about the gallery. This is considered a plugin, which means that once we install it, in order to activate it, we have to put it into a content item using specific code. Let's see how to make that work. Click on Download, and now I'm taken to their website. From here, I'm going to click the J16 version, which is the one that works for 1.6, 1.7, and 2.5 as well. Once I've saved it onto my computer, now I can install it. I'm going to go to my Joomla Aquarium Administrator panel, Extensions, Extension Manager, and then click Browse. Here it is, PLG JW Simple Image Gallery version 2.2. Open and install. Once I've installed it, in order to activate your plugin, you need to go to Extensions and Plugin Manager. From here, I can see the gallery right here on the left side called Simple Image Gallery. As you can see, by default, it is not enabled, which means even if you try to use it, it's not going to work initially. Now I can click on it to edit the options. Once I'm here, first of all, I'm going to enable it, so that way it's going to work, and then I can look through the actual instructions that they have here. Because it's a plugin, in order to enable it and make it show up on my website, I have to enter in the specific code that they have written here. Basically, it's curly brackets, gallery, close curly brackets, the folder name that my images are sitting in, and then another set of curly brackets with a close, which is the slash, and then the word gallery. I'm going to copy this text so I can easily put it into an article. On the right-hand side, I have some basic options. Where I want the root folder to start from, which is going to be the images folder, the thumbnail width, the thumbnail height, and the thumbnail image quality. I'm going to keep all the defaults the same, and then click Save and Close. Once I have this installed, now I have two things I have to do. First of all, I have to upload the images into my Joomla system, and then I need to display it inside of an article. If I go to Content and Article Manager, and click on New for New Article, I'm going to call this article Our Gallery. For the category, I'm going to put it inside of Exhibits for now. Scroll down. When I type in my article, first I need to upload the images. So the easiest way to do that is if I click on the Insert Edit Image button. Once I'm on the Image Manager, from here I'm going to create a new folder. There's a new folder icon over here on the right. I'm going to call this new folder Aqua-Gallery, and then click on OK. Now I can open this folder on the left, and now I can upload images into the folder. From here, I can select all of the images in this folder by clicking on the first one, then holding my Shift key down and clicking the last, and then click Open. Next, I can click on Upload. Once the images are uploaded, I can now use them in my gallery. Now, there are multiple ways to add images, but what's nice with the JCE editor, when we add images, we can add multiple images at a time. If we use the plain media manager that comes with Joomla, you can only upload one image at a time. That's why we chose this route. Once I'm done adding the images, I'm just going to click Cancel. Now, in my text editor, I'm going to just type CR Gallery. Then I'm going to paste the code that I grabbed from before that has gallery My Trip to Paris, close gallery. But I need to change My Trip to Paris to the correct folder name, which is Aqua-Gallery. I also want to make sure that there's no special coding in here as far as HTML. So I'm going to click on the Show Hide button, and I see here there's a span class and an italics in here. I'm going to get rid of those codes. And then go back to Show Hide. This is a good habit to get into. Whenever you're pasting and plugging code, it's important that there's no strange HTML coding around it. Once I'm done, I can click Save and Close. Now let's preview the website. If I click on View Site, because I put the new article in Exhibits, let's click on Exhibits and see what it looks like. I have my list of exhibits here, and I can click on Our Gallery. Magically, you can see all of the images here. I can click on one, and it will enlarge it for me. I can click on Next to go through the different images, and then click Close. What's really nice about this plugin is with very little work, we were able to add a very nice looking image gallery to our site. In this lesson, we installed the Simple Image Gallery, went through how you can activate the plugin, showed you how to add the images, and then how to display it on your website.